Christopher Cook is my name. Carbiotix is a company focusing on microbiome therapeutics, primarily utilizing low-cost gut health testing, as well as microbiome modulators to essentially unlock the potential of fiber. And why is fiber important? Because probably everyone in this room is lacking enough soluble fiber in their diet, or at least the potential to utilize or extract value from that soluble fiber in terms of key metabolites. But today I want to focus on the low gut health testing and its relevance in this context. And the best way to demonstrate that is to show my own gut health data over 18 months. This type of data doesn't typically exist anywhere. This is longitudinal data utilizing upwards of 100 grams of soluble fiber per day. And several general conclusions you can draw from this is that there's significant volatility when you're measuring gut health. So the conclusion there you can draw is that if you take a trough or a peak, what types of recommendations can you derive from that? But more importantly, there's a need for longitudinal testing. But how do you justify that? Or how can you facilitate that? Obviously, you have to bring down the cost of the gut health test. And this is essentially our innovation. We went through a first principles perspective where we re-engineered the gut health test and brought it down to essentially $19 US to look at key biomarkers of gut health, as well as more important things, production, uptake of metabolites, validated by 16S data as well. So what this allows for is essentially longitudinal gut health testing, identification of trends, and therefore true gut health measurements over time. Then we ask the question, okay, could others utilize this type of ecosystem and platform? And we said, of course, yes. And therefore, we expose this to food and beverage companies. And why is this important? If we draw an extension of a food and beverage website or through an API, food and beverage companies with fiber-rich products, existing or new, could offer this to their customers, increasing transparency, sales, customer loyalty, etc. And this is something we're launching next month with a UK cereal producer, where they're launching this in about 1,200 retail outlets. So this is about real-time transparency about the impact of food on gut health, the next generation of food. So if there's any interest out there amongst food and beverage companies or supplement companies in real-time management of gut health and eventually personalizing their products on a mass scale to the individual, you're welcome to contact me. Thank you.